Hello students and welcome to another science online class. Our topic for today is properties of light, specifically reflection and refraction. Now let's continue our discussion, and this is the video number 3. Multiple reflection of light is the reflection of light back and forth several times between reflecting surfaces. If a reflected light ray is reflected again on being incident on another surface, this term multiple reflection. So multiple images are produced when two mirrors are arranged at a certain angle. Okay, so we are using this formula to get the number of images produced in a multiple reflection scenario. So n is equivalent to 360 divided by theta minus 1. So the theta there is the angle. Okay. Now, the application of multiple reflection is the periscope. So a periscope consists of two plane mirror strips fixed at 45 degrees to the ends of a long narrow tube, and they are parallel to each other. So we have mirror here which is being arranged in 45 degrees parallel to another mirror, same angular perspective of 45 degrees. Okay? And then to see an object na labas sa inyong perspective or eyesight. So that is the science of periscope. Now in continuation, n is the number of the images formed, while the theta is the angle between the mirrors. Yeah, so that is the formula. Now, another application of multiple reflection is the parallel mirrors are other version of this. So the parallel mirrors, on the other hand, produce infinite numbers of images. Lalo na kapag sila'y magkatapat, no? Now let's discuss refraction. So refraction is the fact or phenomenon of light or other electromagnetic waves being deflected in passing obliquely through the interface between one medium and another through a medium of varying density. So, if the light passes from one medium to another medium, there are bending of light, refraction. Okay, so we have an example here. So we have a certain wave which is from medium 1 and then passing to the medium number 2. Now it becomes bent. Another example is putting a brush on a water-filled glass, no? So parang naputol yung image. So another image here is this is the angle of incidence towards the normal line. And then as the light or incident ray passes through the another medium, okay, it becomes bent, okay, and that is the angle of refraction. That is medium between air and water. So when light passes from a less dense to a more dense substance, for example, passing from air into water, the light is refracted or bent towards the normal. So the normal line here is perpendicular, forming 90-degree angle to the boundary between the two substances. So kapag less dense to denser, towards the normal line yung refracted ray or refracted light. While on the other hand, denser to less dense uh, refraction having a result of away from a normal or away from the normal line. Now, question. Where should you aim the target? Is it above or below the fish? If you want to use a sphere in getting a fish, or catching a fish? So the correct answer there is below the fish because light travels from less dense, which is air, to denser, which is water. So the light rays travels towards the normal. So you need to aim the fish, okay, below